Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today we're going to show you how to install your Xpedition rock sliders. First you want to start by removing the 3 T40 Torx bolts that are underneath the vehicle. I'm fixing fire. Get off of me! From the factory there are 2 pre-perforated holes. You want to take your 1.5-inch hole saw and drill those out. Now we can take your wedge anchor and your hanger bracket and stick your lock washer in your bolt and thread it into your wedge anchor. Next, you'll slide it into the hole in the frame. Now you want to use your 8x20mm Allen head bolts to hang the Nerf rail from the bottom. Now you want to take your 6mm button head bolt and start it in the skid plate on the bottom, on all 3 holes. Now you're ready to tighten your hanger bracket bolts. You want to make sure that you push in when you tighten them. We're now ready to tighten your bottom hanger bolts with the Allen head. We're now ready to install your top plate. All you do is set it on top and start your button head bolts in there. Now we're ready to take our 6mm nuts and start them from the bottom. Then tighten all your bolts and you're ready to ride.